Sometimes people think that once they already passed that pinnacle, it's finished, no more. But an attitude number, which is the first pinnacle, doesn't get passed. It stays with you for life. Okay, so that's why your number 9 has so much compassion. And when you speak, you have so much compassion, like you're going to cry, or you're going to, because you have so much empathy, right? So she totally didn't take into account her number 6, and she was wondering why this number 5 pinnacle is like so crazy, and why she is so fearful. Because the number 6 is the need for security, right? And she was thinking, I should be okay, I should be okay. I got my 5 and I got my 9, and it should be okay in the number 5 pinnacle, but she couldn't understand why there was still a residue of fear and the need to have security and a safety blanket and a regular paycheck. Okay? Now, I already know her numbers, so I knew what to set up in order to make her feel comfortable to work with me. Okay, regular paycheck, flexibility, I know whatever. She forgot, right? So she forgot her number 6, and that's the need for security. And so she was feeling guilty. So once you, what happens is that once you are out of sync, once you are one number out of sync, the other numbers manifest in the negative. Right? Because once one number starts to manifest in the negative, fear, control, not wanting to let go, or too much domination or whatever, right? So for number 6, once she doesn't have a sense of security, then the other 2 will start to manifest in the negative. Okay? So if you don't have a sense of security, your other numbers will start to manifest in the negative. And then your pinnacle will manifest in the negative. That's not good. Nobody laughs like a number 5.
Not good, right? It's not really happy.
So if I look at her chart, right? So she's a 3 and a 5 and a 6. That's already a lot of contradiction and a lot of internal conflict and a lot of boom, you know? It's like, yes, I mean, she's exactly her number. Beautiful, elegant, composed, well-balanced, healing, sensitive, compassionate, but yet this number 3 and 5 is like, boom. I don't know, it's like a big splash of paint on the canvas. You know what I mean? You have no idea where it's gonna splash or where it's gonna go. You better be careful. It splashed on me. Right? So it's a very boom. Right? Whatever surprise, whatever healing she has, whatever thing is like, oh, I didn't know that was gonna happen. So it's that type of contradiction. And when she was in the 4 and the 9, that contradiction was very much oppressed or heavy, or almost like to the point where it wasn't allowed to have a voice, where it wasn't allowed to make any noise or make any color or make anything, because it was following a structure, following a belief, following a system, right? Then we come to the number 3, and it's finally able to boom out of the box. And coming out of these 2 boxes, it's not an easy effort. I mean, it's not an easy thing. It's not like you can just smash out of the box. It was a gradual deconstructing the box. Some people can just boom, smash out of the box and explode, with aggression or whatever. But this one is a gradual deconstructing of the box from the inside. Do you see what I'm saying? So like panel by panel, it's like a wooden box, dark brown. Panel by panel, it's being beaten away for it to finally be in the number 3 and actually feel comfortable in the number 3, you know, to feel its way again back to what it was normally. And because she's going into a number 1 pinnacle, I don't have a problem with that, because there is such joy and like she will get to her path, her way of being, her way to exist, which is joy, success, and flourishing. Do you see what I'm saying? Does that make sense? So this number 5 year in this number 3 gives it that extra flavor, that extra color. Yeah, it's like technicolor. Like, remember TV before was black and white, and then now you have technicolor. Remember TV before was only HD, now you have 8K. Yeah, so this year is 8K. Do you see what I mean? So when you see all that, and then you look at the year and the pinnacle, and then you look at what's next as well, that is all what I mean by the method of combination and how numbers relate to each other. You can never ever read a number by itself alone, which is what the book does. Right? Oh, your number 3, go and read the chapter on number 3. It's alone. But you cannot, because every number is interrelated. And only when you see it fully interrelated does the message